I have shown to the court that she's also a dentist. I am also a dentist. She has occupied my dental clinic. I have no means of going off work at all. In fact, she has also occupied my house.
Please come to the order. Why you are not renewing the license?
My lord, she is suffering from mental disorder and my lord, nervous weakness, my lord. I have produced
Statement that is made before this court is on oath is not a correct statement. Appropriate proceedings will be issued against the.
I appear for respondent in this case.
Yes. Where is the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner is the husband and the wife is the respondent. I have filed an MC case on the ground of cruelty. During the proceedings, Your Lordship, maintenance was claimed by the
What is granted?
8,000 is granted. And then challenging the same, I have filed
What is the interim order of power passed by this court?
is to stay the grant of maintenance.
Conditional order might have been passed.
No, Your Lordship, there's no conditional order.
Simply stay.
It is stayed because I have shown to the court that she's also a dentist. I am also a dentist. She has occupied my dental clinic. I have no means of going off work at all. In fact, she has also occupied my house.
Please come to the order.
Yeah, paragraph number 8, my lord, last 3 lines. The counsel for the respondent has filed the copies of the notices issued by the health department to the respondent. Reply given by the respondent on page number 5 of the order, my lord. Her application for renewal of the license is, my lord, rejected, and she has not renewed the license since 2018.
Why you are not renewing the license?
My lord, she is suffering from mental disorder and my lord, nervous weakness, my lord. I have produced the documents, my lord. Along with my statement of objections, I have produced the documents. The same is observed by the trial court. In paragraph number 8 of the writ petition order, it is stated. The respondent has filed the copies.
Yes, I have seen. What do you say?
Your Lordship, it's a very interesting submission to make that the license has been revoked. Revoking of license is not proof to the fact that she is not practicing. I will produce documents in this regard, Your Lord. So,
the new documents cannot be filed now. Whatever she has filed along with the writ petition can be perused, and I have filed the documents which are produced before the trial court.
Your Lordship, I will show what kind of documents these are and then it can be decided whether I could have produced this earlier or not. Your Lordship, these documents are proofs to show that she is practicing in my dental clinic. Your Lordship, on page 2, Your Lordship, 2 of the memo for production of documents, I have produced 2 photographs of the board. The board that is in the
Board is there, but
Please
she is-
come.
Your Lordship.
The respondent. It is a contention of the petitioner that the respondent is a dentist and she is not entitled for maintenance. It's a case of the respondent wife that she's suffering with the mental issues and as such she is not practicing. By the next date of hearing, the respondent shall file an affidavit before the court that right from the day she has filed an application before the trial court.
My lord, before
Till-
that, my
till today-
documents produced along with statement.
No,
of
I'm
objections
not saying
with
anything.
respect.
Please listen to the court order. Right from 2019 till today, she is not working. She never worked or she is not working and she is not having any income. They're basing on that, the further orders will be passed. And by any chance, the statement that is made before this court is on oath is not a correct statement. Appropriate proceedings will be issued against the
My lord, your lordship may
respondent.
kindly, first, my lord, your lordship may kindly see the annexure, my lord, R3. I produced it along with my statement of objections, which states, my lord, that the district medical officer has issued this certificate.
So
my
that
lord.
I have read the order. Give it to her. Yes, when can you file an affidavit?
Next week I will file.
Next week. Post this matter on Wednesday.
Your Lordship, interim order may be extended.
Interim order earlier granted is extended till then. Yes.